SP 144257772, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 145055521, driver's license suspended. Ticket number SP 144257773, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1450552, count 2, expired plates. Count 3, no insurance, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 134122, 11, unregistered, untitled vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Malphite on behalf of Mr. Buchanan. Mr. Buchanan, state your name for the record.
William Buchanan.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Specifically, he'll be pleading to 2 amended counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display, all other counts being dismissed with the exception of the review.
Not one word.
I apologize. We did not hear you clearly. The Madam Court Reporter couldn't hear you clearly either.
I apologize. I'll repeat myself. There is an offer. The offer is to have him plead to 2 counts of improper plates, 1 of failure to display, other counts being dismissed with the exception of the review.
You said 2 improper plates?
No, yeah, 2 improper plates, 1 FTD.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna take a driver while license suspended to an improper plate?
No, FTD. Driver while license suspended would be FTD.
Right, but I'm saying which other ticket we're gonna use for the
We have the
improper
no
plate?
insurance misdemeanor for improper plate, right?
That's one. Where's the other one?
And then we have an expired plate. No.
No, we
that's
can't
a
use that one.
Unregistered, untitled vehicle.
No, that's the
Nope,
review.
that was in the review. We don't, we don't have another ticket to plead to improper plate on.
Judge, this is one of the problems when I'm working from, not being there in front of it. The offer was given to me via text, so I can't associate them necessarily with the ticket. I would simply say this, Your Honor, as a general rule, especially since we're going to be pleading to the underlying count, I don't see why there should be any issue with us changing it to another charge, especially even if it might not necessarily be related. I don't know whether the court's hands would necessarily be tied.
So, okay, so here's the thing. I have a misdemeanor that's up for review. I have a misdemeanor of driver while license suspended that we're gonna plead, that he's gonna take a plea to FTD.
Sure.
I have another misdemeanor for no insurance, a misdemeanor of no insurance that he can plead to improper plate. Then the only other misdemeanor I have for him to plead to would be another driver's license suspended.
Sure. There's no reason we
this-
can't turn that into improper plates.
If that's gonna be the case, unless he has a driver's license, which we're gonna check, I'm just gonna allow him to plead to 1 FCD and 1 improper plate. He already
Certainly don't have any
has,
objection to that, Judge.
okay, and then he already has the unregistered untitled that he's paying on.
Okay.
And you did enter into, so let's talk about that for the review. The review hearing is on the unregistered untitled vehicle. Mr. Buchanan, you did enter into a payment agreement?
Yes.
Okay. And you plan to keep that payment agreement, and you know that there's gonna be additional fees today that you're gonna have to get another payment agreement on?
Yes.
Okay,
No, this is.
okay, and so because he's still, I know I'm live on YouTube, we're not able to dismiss those. We are gonna take the plea for the failure to display improper plates. So, Mr. Buchanan, you had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Malafide in the breakout room. Did he advise you of your rights?
Yes.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Check it for which one? You sure? That's probably you're doing. Okay. You're welcome.
I apologize, I actually was trying to chew bubble gum and walk. Did anyone threaten you, force you, promise you, you're pleading guilty on your own free will? Is that where I am?
Yes.
And you're pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. One moment, please. Okay, Mr. Buchanan, turning your attention to March 23rd, 2023. Were you driving the 2005 Chrysler?
Yes.
Were you driving in the area of Joy Road and Southfield Freeway in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department that day, sir?
Yes.
And when asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so?
No.
Satisfied, Counselor?
As to that count, yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. And then on that same date in that same vehicle, when asked to produce valid insurance certificate, were you able to do so?
No.
Satisfied as to that count.
Was the vehicle actually insured on that day?
No.
Okay.
But again, satisfied, Judge.
And stipulates probable cause on dismissals?
So stipulated.
The court is also satisfied and will enter guilty pleas on behalf of Mr. Buchanan for failure to display, the amended charge of failure to display on count 1, and the amended charge of improper plates for count 2. All other matters will be dismissed without prejudice. As stated before, you are already on a payment plan for the unregistered untitled vehicle. You're on the payment plan for that. So Mr. Buchanan, I'm gonna try to cut you a little bit of slack today. And I don't want to see you again though, because I'm starting to see you a little too, I'm seeing you more than I see my own child.
I'm trying to get it all taken care of. I'm telling you.
So I'm gonna go as low as I can statutorily for the failure to display improper plates. It's gonna be $380 total. I'm gonna have you come down to the court and enter into an additional payment agreement, because I know that that's the only way that you're probably gonna be able to stay on task. So enter into an additional payment agreement by June 15th. As
Okay.
long as you entered into that payment agreement before June 15th, you don't have to show back up for the review. Okay? If
Okay.
you haven't entered into a payment agreement by June 15th, I do need to see you here at 8:30 that morning.
Okay.
Okay, you are free to go. I believe we've done everything.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, well, we have to-
I haven't gotten a text back from Mr. Goss regarding Ms. Benson, what they've decided they're gonna do. Hold on just one moment. Actually, you know what? I can just ask the officer, because I'm sure he might have talked to the officer. Give me one moment.
Okay. You bring the
Oh, wait.
officer in.
The officer does not appear to be here, which is a pretty good indication.
Goss
I'm probably
must-
gonna dismiss
Mr.
it,
Goss
but
made it took to go. Yeah, probably so.
okay. So hold on just one moment. Let me text Mr. Goss.
Mhm. Mm-mm. Mhm.
Judge, while I'm waiting for that response, I'm going to take Ms. Barker into a breakout room. Ms. Barker, I
Yes,
want you to hold on just one second. We're going to put you back in a breakout room. You're going to see a prompt in just a second. I want you to go to that room, please.
all right.
Have not heard back from Mr. Goss. Is Mr. Goss perhaps in the courtroom?
He's here. It's a dismissal.
Very good.
All right, Ms. Benson, will you turn your camera on, Ms. Benson?
We can hear you.
Ms. Benson, you need to unmute and turn on your camera.
Hello?
Hello,
Hi,
hello.
you can hear us okay?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning. Now calling the people versus Maryland, Nicole Benson, ticket number U 640-71622, one count of appearance semi-nude. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Elf on behalf of Ms. Benson. Ms. Benson, please state your name for the record.
Ms.
Marilyn
Benson, I
Nicole
need
Benson.
Two, because you're gonna make me dizzy.
Oh, Marilyn Nicole.
Just stand still, Ms. Benson. Just stand still. Your Honor, I believe that there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matter. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations.
Okay, the court will adopt the people's recommendation to dismiss this without prejudice. For the interest, and based on the interest of justice. Ms. Benson, you are free to go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I believe that's everything. There is this person who keeps